Hi and welcome to Rainy Dewey's Art Spot. My name is Lorraine and my nickname is Rainy, and you can call me Rainy. I wanted to thank everyone who posted comments on my previous video about accepting yourself. That video was a little bit of a true confessions, and I'll spare you more true confessions for the moment in this video. This little watercolor is a watercolor I'm doing in preparation for a workshop that I'm going to be teaching in a few days. There are a couple of lessons that I'm teaching. One is painting from photo reference. In this particular painting, I'm using a winter scene and I'm turning it into a summer scene. We'll see how successful that is. I'm hoping it will be successful because I have done a value sketch and a color study that I'll share with you later. So right now I'm trying to nail my focal point. I'm trying to get it painted. The strategy that I'm using is going to be color complements and a lot of detail in one area of the painting, and then the rest of the painting will be a support. So this video is just painting my focal point, and the rest will follow in little snippets in a few videos to come. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for being kind, and I really appreciate it. So let's paint. Here is my value sketch and color study. It's always helpful to do that kind of work in advance so you know before you begin how you're going to get where you want to go. Typically, I would be masking out those trees that are overlapping in the sky, but when I checked, my masking fluid had dried up. So this is a different approach for me. I'm using a very juicy brush. It's, I believe they're called a mop, but I'll double check that for you. And I'm doing my wash in the sky, and those brushes hold a lot of water and paint. And so I'm trying to do the sky by painting around irregular shapes that will be the trees later. And you can see that in the sky wash there was this line. And so that's the result of having to use the strategy that I did use. Typically I would have masked it out and done a sweeping wash and be done with it, but in this case I ended up with a line. So what I had to do was go over the whole wash again carefully with more pigment and more paint. It darkened it. Not 100% happy about that, but you know, in painting you just, as in life, things don't always go the way you hope, and so you make adjustments and then you move on. And that's what I'm doing here. And I'm putting in my red house. That's more muted. I want them to go into the back, and the barn is going to be my focal point. So wait for the next installment. I'm trying to keep these short, and thanks for watching.